negative results by innovations and technological advances in the information age.
The personal and psychological effects of the negative outcomes stemming from the innovation and technological advances in the information age are wide-ranging and concerning. They affect mental health, social relationship, and an individual overall well-being. Let's proceed to technology addiction. Over reliance on devices and the internet can lead to addictive behaviors that negatively impact real life responsibilities and relationship. Next is physical health problems. Excessive screen time can cause digital eye strain, chronic headaches, sleep deprivation, and musculoskeletal issues like neck, a carpal tunnel syndrome due to sedentary habits.
Reduce attention span.
The constant flow of information and notification can lead to decreased
Concentration and difficulty focusing on deep work. Example, ako.
nag-aaral ako. Tapos palaging tumutunog ang cellphone ko dahil sa notification ng
FB, TikTok, IG. Lagi kong tinitignan na ang cellphone ko. Kaya hindi ako makafocus.
sa pag-aaral. At displays
Automation. Advancement in AI and robotics can lead to technological unemployment as machines take over tasks traditionally done by humans, widening economic and inequality. Diba? Example, fast food. Anikat, pumupunta pa tayo sa harap para mag-order. Orderan na, pipindutin mo na lang at pwede ka na din magbayad.
Misinformation and manipulation. Technology facilities that rapid spread of fake news, propaganda, and echo chambers, which can polarize society and undermine democratic process. Social isolation. Social isolation is when you have very little contact with people and society. It's different from loneliness, which is just feeling alone. It can happen for many reasons like age, health issues, or living alone. Being isolated can hurt your health, leading to problems like depression and heart issues.
Environmental impacts. There are two types of environmental impacts. The first one is resource depletion and pollution. Manufacturing high-tech devices consumes large amounts of rare earth minerals, energy, and water, leading to the depletion of natural resources and causing industrial pollution through toxic waste, carbon emissions. Second one is high energy consumption. High energy data centers and the powerful computing required to train and run complex AI models consume massive amounts of electricity, which significantly increases carbon emissions and contributes to global climate change.
Ethical concerns. Lack of transparency, the black box problem. Complex AI systems can make decisions in ways that are difficult for humans to understand or audit, making accountability challenging. In short, some AI systems are so complex that we don't really know how they make decisions. Because of that, it's hard to find out who's responsible if something bad happens. Next is the autonomous system. The development of autonomous weapons or self-driving cars raises profound ethical dilemmas about responsibility, control, and moral decision-making in critical situations. In short, the autonomous system, things like self-driving cars or smart weapons can make decisions on their own. This raises big questions. Who's in control? And who's to blame if something goes wrong? This will create an ethical problem because it is who is responsible to blame. It is the maker, the user, or the machine itself.
Electronic waste or e-waste. The rapid obsolescence and disposal of devices create a massive amount of e-waste, which contains toxic substances that contaminate soil and water. Electronic waste or e-waste refers to discarded electronic devices such as old computers, phone, television, and appliances. These items often contain toxic material like lead and mercury, which can harm the environment if not disposed of properly. Example, yung lumang cellphone, sirang laptop, at lumalang TV na tinapon sa basurahan ay tinatawag na electronic waste or e-waste. Mas mabuting i-recycle na lang ito kaysa itapon kasi makakasira din ito sa ating kalikasan. Rules and guidelines. In using the different media information to ensure that humanity will live in a rewards of information age. Manage notification and digital distraction. Customize and limit notifications to avoid constant interruptions. Means controlling alert and online activities that interrupt your focuses. Example, pinatay ko muna ang mga notifications sa social media ko habang nag-aaral para makapag-focus ako at hindi ako ma-distract sa phone ko.
Encourage ethical technology development. Support and use technologies and platforms that prioritize ethical standards, fairness, and transparency. For example, instead of always using social media platforms known for data privacy issues, consider using and supporting privacy-focused alternatives like Signal for messaging or DuckDuckGo for search. This encourage tech companies to prioritize ethical standards to attract users. Practice digital moderation. Set healthy limits on screen time and digital consumption. For example, set a daily 30 minutes limit for social media apps on your phone, using built-in device settings or third-party apps. During meals or before bed, establish no screen zones to encourage more face-to-face interactions and better sleep habits.
Verify before sharing. Always fact-check information before reposting, forwarding, or sharing it, especially in social media. Because sharing wrong information can confuse people or cause harm. So it is important to check if it's true first. Think critically, not emotionally. Engage with media content analytically rather than reactively, especially in emotionally charged or political topics. It is because careful thinking helps you understand facts better and avoid being misled by emotions.